Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying eligibility and hardware. First, make sure your Airtel account has a 5G compatible plan and that your SIM is a 5G or VO LTE capable replacement. Visit a store if not. Next, check your phone supports the carrier's 5G bands and install the latest system update so radios behave correctly. Once done, power off, insert the 5G SIM cleanly, and boot up. These steps prevent provisioning delays and ensure the network recognizes your device immediately. You now configure the phone to prefer 5G. Open Mobile Network Settings and choose 5G/Auto or NR Preferred. This tells the modem to attempt 5G first, but fall back if unavailable. Make sure VO LTE is enabled because many carriers require it for voice while on 5G. If you're in a border region, enable data roaming so your phone can register on local 5G cells. After changes, toggle airplane mode or restart the phone to force the network registration and DNS assignment. You finish by confirming service and resolving common issues. Open status bar and settings to see the 5G indicator, then run a speed test to validate throughput and latency improvements. If 5G doesn't appear, reinsert the SIM and confirm the APN matches Airtel's recommended values. Sometimes a provisioning delay requires a carrier refresh. If still offline, toggle your preferred network mode between LTE and 5G, reboot, and contact Airtel support with IMEI and SIM details so they can push provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.